In this video, we're diving into how to use your CRM to increase customer lifetime value without the fluff or extra jargon. If you're serious about getting more value from your customers, this is the perfect guide for you, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's start with this. A CRM isn't just about keeping track of customer details. When used properly, it's a powerful tool to boost customer lifetime value by keeping your customers happy, engaged, and buying from you over the long term. The first key to increasing customer lifetime value with your CRM is segmentation. Not all customers are created equal, so dividing them into segments based on their behavior, preferences, or purchase history allows you to tailor your marketing efforts more precisely. By targeting customers with the right message at the right time, you're more likely to see them coming back for more. For instance, high-value customers could get personalized offers, while less engaged customers might receive re-engagement campaigns. Next, automation. This is where a good CRM truly shines. Set up automated workflows to nurture your leads and customers. For example, if a customer buys something, you can automatically send them a follow-up email with product recommendations or a discount for their next purchase. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your customers stay engaged with your brand without you having to lift a finger every time. Another powerful feature of using a CRM to boost customer lifetime value is tracking customer interactions across all touchpoints. By consolidating this data in one place, you can get a complete picture of each customer's journey. You'll know what they like, what they don't, and where they drop off. With this info, you can craft targeted strategies to keep them engaged and prevent churn. For example, if you notice a customer hasn't made a purchase in a while, you can send them a personalized offer to bring them back into the fold. It's also critical to have strong customer support integrated into your CRM system. When customers feel valued and supported, they're more likely to stay loyal. Use your CRM to log and manage customer service inquiries, ensuring timely responses and solutions. A customer who has a good experience with your support team is a customer who's more likely to keep coming back. Finally, let's talk about upselling and cross-selling. Your CRM can help identify opportunities to recommend products or services based on previous purchases. These small, strategic recommendations can lead to significant boosts in revenue, helping you increase your customers' lifetime value without pushing them too hard. Make sure your CRM tracks all your customer data so that these upsell opportunities are based on real insights rather than guesswork. To follow along and actually put these strategies into action, I've included an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it and get a hands-on feel for how to use a CRM to increase your customer lifetime value. To wrap it up, the key takeaway here is that your CRM can be a game changer when it comes to increasing customer lifetime value. By segmenting your audience, automating communication, tracking interactions, integrating customer support, and using data to upsell, you can maximize every customer relationship. In short, use your CRM as a tool to nurture your customers, keep them engaged, and offer them the right product at the right time. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.